When you have a baby, whether you're traveling through Mexico or just heading to the park down the street, chances are you'll have your hands full. Traditional diaper bags just don't cut them because they can cause a lot of strain on shoulders and backs, ruining the fun you're supposed to be having. The perfect solution is a backpack diaper bag. You'll have everything you need for the baby, and now you can have your hands free and comfortably wear it without having to wonder when your next chiropractor appointment is. There are many products available to choose from. Best backpack diaper bag, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best backpack diaper bag from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bag Nation Diaper Bag Backpack. It should come as no surprise that this is one of the best backpack diaper bags because it's as close to perfect as you can get. Made from a high-quality, water-resistant twill polyester, the days of worrying about broken zippers and frayed stitching are over. The backpack includes an impressive 14 pockets that range in size, and there's even a designated pocket for baby wipes, as well as an insulated pocket that's large enough to hold several bottles. On top of all that is a free sundry bag and changing mat. With so many more features that we don't have the space to cover, including a lifetime warranty. This backpack continues to remain among the best baby bags on the market. Number 2. Halova Waterproof Travel Backpack Diaper Bag. Fashionable, simple, and practical are the goals here, and that's why it's been called the greatest backpack diaper bag for moms. This cute diaper bag backpack comes in 14 different colors, and is made from a high-quality Oxford fabric that's both durable and water-resistant. In addition to the main compartment, there are separate pockets that can hold everything from diapers to wet clothes. While the interior can hold up to 3 bottles, the bag is even equipped with an exterior side pocket sleeve that can hold another bottle or your travel water bottle. The other side is designed to dispense wipes. Travel with your baby in style with the Halova Diaper Bag Multifunction Waterproof Travel Backpack. Number 3. Hyblum Diaper Bag Backpack. Don't settle for anything less than the excellence of the Hyblum Diaper Bag Backpack. With nylon on the outside and polyester on the inside, this backpack is designed to last. The bag is equipped with protected zipper pockets, along with elasticized interior storage pockets. The size allows it to hold all the essentials, along with having additional space for things like toys and extra bibs. It also includes added conveniences like a cell phone pocket and a diaper changing pad. The durability and strength are backed by a money-back guarantee, so you can be confident you're getting a great product with the Hyblum Diaper Bag Backpack. Number 4. Haptim Baby Diaper Bag Backpack. Need a good convertible diaper bag backpack? Check out the Haptim Multifunction Large Baby Diaper Bag Backpack. The nylon fabric with poo-back coating means that it's stronger and more wear-resistant than the typical polyester. The strong zippers and non-fraying stitching contribute to its longevity and help it last for years on end. It's a good size bag that has 18 pockets and enough space for the necessities, as well as the baby's favorite accessories and snacks. The back is made from thick breathable 3D padding, and also includes an anti-theft pocket. For added comfort, the shoulder straps are made from the same padding. Comfort and style are perfectly combined to make one of the best diaper backpack options available. Number 5. Mancro Diaper Bag Backpack. Having a lightweight diaper backpack is vital to being able to travel comfortably with a baby. Even though it's lightweight, it still has a volume of 23 liters, so it can hold everything you need it to. Coming in black and gray, the nylon bag has a waterproof PVC liner. Several multifunctional pockets make it easy to get to whatever you need. Along with several interior pockets for bottles, there are 2 insulated side pockets for additional bottles. The bag comes with a variety of pocket sizes, including one for small things like bottle nipples, a larger one for your tablet or magazines, and even a zippered net compartment for things like diapers and clothing. Also included are stroller straps and a changing pad. Ideal for everything from an international trip to a baby shower gift, it's easy to love the Mancro Diaper Bag Backpack. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.